A warm welcome to our science class. My name is Jyoti Budanava Raju, roll number 6, standard 70. Today we are going to learn about lesson number 4, food safety. I am sure that you have eaten example pizza, burger and mouth-watering pani puri. Here it's seeing a tomato. It's can't see in simple virus. It's see in a microscope. Some of the most common fungal diseases that infect tomatoes grown in the home garden include Anthracis, fruit rot, early blight, Septoria leaf spot, late blight and bucky rot, all which produce distinct symptoms, making them easily diagnosable by the home gardener. Now, what is a rat eating? Rat eating an apple. Cornell University study found that rats who ate one apple per day reduced their risk of breast cancer by 17%. Rats fed 3 apples per day reduced their risk by 39%, and those fed 6 apples per day reduced their risk by 44%. Here it's Pakode Wala is selling a pakoda. Pakoda is a spiced fritter originating from the Indian subcontinent, sold by street vendors and served in restaurants in South Asia and worldwide. It consists of items, often vegetables such as potatoes and onions, cooked in seasoned gram flour batter and deep fried. Now you are seeing some girls are eating pani puri. Pani puri or factual or gupchup or golgappa or pani puri ke patake is a type of snack that originated in the Indian subcontinent and is one of the most common street food in India's subcontinent. Place of origin is India. Here it's saying that food is spoilage. Food spoilage is a process where a food product becomes unsuitable to ingest by the consumer. Bacteria and various fungi are the cause of spoilage and can create serious concerns for the consumers. But where are preventive measures that can be taken? Stop food wastage. We don't put a food wastage. For many people in the world, food waste has become a habit. Buying for more food than we need at markets, letting fruits and vegetables spoil at home, or taking larger portions that we can eat. These habits put extra strain on our natural resources and damage our environment. Some people throw the food in dustbin while some eat from the dustbin. Think twice before you waste the food. Where does food come from? Food comes from plants. Food grains like wheat and rice, pulses, fruits and vegetables all comes from a variety of plants. Plants also give us oily like mustard, sunflower or groundnut oil, which are used as cooking fuel. Plants are major sources of food for both humans and other animals. And thank you all my dear friends and teacher.